Jurassic Jeep and Off-Road Group.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be installing a stereo. As you can see, got this one right here. I'm sick of it. So I'm going to put this one, and this one has Apple CarPlay. It has radio, everything I need. So I'm going to be showing you how to install this. And yeah, let's get First thing you got to do is take off the trim, around the radio. Should be really simple. See, got that piece off right there. And then this one. Just be careful. Don't break a tab. Okay, there, we got that off. So let's see. We're gonna have to take off some screws in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws right here. So we're gonna take out that screw right there. That one right there, that one right there, and that one right there. These ones you don't mess with right here. Alright, so once you have all the screws out, see I got them out, you just pull this off. Let's see, okay. Should come off pretty simple. See, got that out. And then should be able to just pull this out. Okay. Then I gotta disconnect it from the back. So once you pull it out, there's a connector right here holding it, so make sure to be careful for that. And then there's some more connectors here you gotta disconnect. Just push on the tab and then kind of wiggle it. So basically this is a better view for you guys. Push on the tab, pull it out, same thing. And then this one. There you go. Now the radio is disconnected. Oh, we got that one too. Don't forget about that one. Okay, so this is all disconnected. So next is the wiring, which is pretty simple. Everyone thinks it's hard, but it's not. You just match it up to the color, basically. So like, let's do this one. Let's try left front. Left front is white/black on the Metra. So white/black. This one is the left front. So you go to where you bought your radio, right? And you check left front. Front left is white/black, so it matches the same. So then you just connect them together. Make sure you check, because left front negative is white/black. So left front negative for the radio wiring is white and black. That's the negative, and then the positive is white. And then let's see, left front positive is the same color, white. So that's basically what you do. So I got the wiring done, guys. As you can see, connected to this, that goes into the stereo, the new one. This goes into the factory wiring harness. And then all the rest is just mounting the new stereo. So what I suggest you guys do is connect everything before you even want to install it. Just make sure everything works. I have it all hooked up. Let's see how it goes. See if I could do this with one hand. Okay, there we go. It's working. Oh, I gotta set it up. I just want to test everything. Okay, the sound is working. Let's see. Wait, no, I'm pressing the wrong button. Let's see. Where's the radio? Where's the radio, guys? And it works, you guys. Woo! Now I just gotta install it. So next, get your mounting on, I mounted it on both sides. Then I just gotta plug in the mic. Oh, where is that at? The mic goes in right there. In that black hole right there. Got the mic, got the radio antenna plugged in, got everything else plugged in. Just gotta do that and then screw that in and then put the bezel back on and then I'm done. Also for the Apple CarPlay, there was a aux plug-in right here. I just took that out and ran my cable for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right here. So yeah, that made it easier as well. Then I ran my mic all the way through here. Then I have it up here. I'm probably gonna finish putting that in the lip right here. So I got the bezel on. I just gotta put everything else back together. Everything's working perfect. Yep. Just let me put this back together and I'll show you how everything looks. And it's done, guys. This was done on my Toyota car. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys need any help, just message me on Instagram at Jurassic Jeep Off-Road Group. Send me a message. Let me know that you're wondering about something on how to install a stereo, and I'll help you out. Make sure to hit the bell notification so you know when I put a new video up. And hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and it helped you.
Jurassic Jeep and Off-Road Group.